What's the meaning of complacency? Complacency. Complacency.
Complacency. Complacency. Complacency refers to a state of self-satisfaction accompanied by a lack of concern towards potential danger or problems. When individuals or organizations become complacent, they may neglect necessary precautions or fail to take action to address potential risks. This can lead to incidents such as accidents, economic downturns, or failures in various aspects of life. Complacency often arises when individuals or organizations have experienced prolonged success or stability and assume that this will continue indefinitely. However, the failure to recognize and address potential risks can ultimately result in negative consequences.